Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome. What's up? Welcome back. So before we even say anything, first let's address these bar stools that some of you are saying carry them back, some of you are saying it's too short, which if you guys watch the vlog, you know, literally can see that I realize that they are too short. Some of you gave me some very helpful information when it comes on to the height of the bar stools and you know, all of that. But from as me that said in the vlog, when I was purchasing them, I saw them and I said to the man, I said, they look short. He was like, no, this is how bar stool typically look with the height and whatever. And I'm like, no, they look short. They really do look short. And he was insisting that they're not short. You know, I like them, so I buy them, carry them home. I realized that they are actually really too short. So I am going to look in Wayfair, see if they have anything else that I could replace these ones with. And yeah, what catch me now, the last minute, because if we did buy it from Amazon, I think the ones on Amazon, they are higher, but at the last minute catch me where I had to grab them because I really wanted them for the holiday. So that's the problem. But we are going to see what Wayfair have, if they have anything different. I was like, okay, probably I can get bar stool razors. I don't know, but we really want the bar stool. And the thing is, them countertop, they're high. They're very high. Like them say only say a bar they're like too high. Them high, or it's not too high, but I really prefer the lower one. Them it's too high because even for me it high. At the end, well, we're going to go in Ross to see what they have. See what Ross have for Christmas. I want to do the Christmas setup of my house today. I the little stuff them. I'm really disappointed in the bar stools, but I'm so in love with them. If I can get back, and the thing is, I don't know if they will give me a refund or a store credit they will give me. If they might give me a refund, we refund them and get them for Amazon just after Christmas. If they give me store credit, I don't know. We saw. It's almost Christmas and I don't really have anything. I don't really have anything to wear for the season. So we're the whole shopping, but we still shop for myself at the same time. These are cute. I like them. $36. What brand are they? $36. What brand? Oh, they're guess no, GBG. What size are they? Oh, 5.5. Watch out. No, my love, they can't work. They're 5.5. What are they doing in the 8 section? No, I like them. Nothing new. Nothing new. The Mercury tea. They're so cute. If I buy these now, these won't be wearing until spring. Oh, this mirror right here is perfect for the living room. I like this black one. $50. I like it. Guys, look at this set for $9. This two-piece, well, $10, $9.99. I like this. I like this. Come with the slipper and the pants. Oh, something catch it. Guys, how cute is this? This is so cute. There's a mirror behind me. This is so cute. I like this. This is nice. Feel warm. Look at you. Look at, oh, this one's so warm. Should I get this? Looks nice. I got one in my pocket. I like this. I think I'm gonna grab this. That's too cute. Yep, definitely. I'll get this. For the counter that I have, I didn't have something I want. Them ugly plastic soap, yeah. I'm in here and there's nothing. The mirror that I want. Oh my god. Ah. Is this iron? I try to get this higher. Sure, I could take my journal. There's only 2 of this. Ooh, let's see. Is this iron? I'm not sure. No luck in Wayfair. My gun will decide so madam. Oh crap, I was supposed to ask if I could return it, if I would get store credit, or if I would just get, if I could get my money back or store credit. I never remember. I'm thinking right now. I don't think we're gonna make it back inside that store right now. I'm gonna go to Burlington and go home. I'm so tired. Alright, so in today's video, basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little Christmas decor around the house. Not a lot, just a few. As the time progresses, we'll see if when we go on the road we see anything else. I know for sure I saw something in Hobby Lobby that I want, that I was indecisive about getting at the time, but I think I would like it. So when I do get those, then you'll see probably at the end of this vlog or in vlogs to come. Alright, so I will be showing the things that I have. I have things from Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Hobby Lobby, Bath and Body Works, Burlington. And trust me, it's not a lot. It is not a lot, as I said. It is not a lot, but it's just a few of the things that I was able to gather. Okay, today when I went on the road, I was looking to see if I saw anything in Ross and Burlington, but not what really catch me, or nothing that I'm looking for. I'm looking for simple things that are nice and cute, but very, you know, it's a statement piece, nice and cute, but not do too much. I don't want it too big, because as I've been saying over and over, my house is not a house that we tend to do a lot of big decor. I'm not doing the cupboards, I'm not doing those, I'm not doing none of those stuff. So yeah, so let me show you guys what I have. Starting over here, I got this candle from Burlington. It's cranberry blossom. Smells nice. I have 2 Bath and Body Works hand soap that I will be deciding on which one I want for the kitchen, which one I want for the bathroom. I got this little Santa man from Dollar General. So cute. I like it. It's cute. You know, cute and not doing too much. I got this little tree. It's an ornament. What do you call it? It's a not an ornament. It's like a decorative piece. I got it from Hobby Lobby. I have this soap dispenser for dish soap. I got this from Dollar Tree. From Dollar Tree, I got this one. It wasn't $1.25. It's $3. One of them higher price stuff. I have this Merry Christmas piece that I got from Hobby Lobby. I have another one of those tree decorative piece that I got from Hobby Lobby as well. I have this other piece that I got from Hobby Lobby. And this, I think these are the same. I thought I had a bigger one. Am I not supposed to have a bigger one? I think I'm supposed to have a bigger one of this. I'm not sure. I'm going to look for it. I thought I had a bigger one. I'm supposed to have a bigger one. I don't know where that is. I'm going to look if I see it. So those are the stuff that I have for right now. As I said, time go by, we will see what will come along. So this is everything for right now. Oh, I didn't show you guys this. I have towels. These are dish towels, kitchen towel set. I got this from Hobby Lobby. Yep, so all right, I will be starting over this section. So I will be changing out the peach Bellini candle from Bath and Body Works, and I'm going to put that one. I'm also going to put Santa right here. I'm gonna put this. I'm going to get the Christmas one for this. I saw they have a Christmas one in Hobby Lobby. That's what I said. I'm going to get that one. If it's not sold out, I'll put it right there. Now this piece, I was wondering if I could put it above. I could put it up there, but I'm not sure how it's going to look. So I'm not sure. I'm wondering if I should put this piece up there. Let's see how it looks. If it's too low, or I'll take something bigger. So guys, I asked the babe to put the gold one up there. While he was doing so, he found this perfect place for it. This is so cute. Look at where it is, right above the microwave. And then I put the black tree up in between the two vase above the cupboard, because I don't have the cupboard is a pretty the height between the ceiling and the cupboard, we have low, very low ceilings. So yeah, I really do love where this is. Babe did a good job with that one. So let's put out we're gonna put up our dish soap dispenser and a hand soap. Over here, for over this area, I'm just gonna put that there. I'll put that right there. I really thought I had a bigger one, but I guess not. Guess I'm a minor trick me. So I'm gonna put that right there, and then the other one beside the air fryer right there. So yeah, that will do it for now. For now, I might move this one beside the air fryer. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but that will do it for now. Nothing too much. Guys, I didn't get a chance to show you what the lights look like, so I'm going to show you what the lights look like in the kitchen. We're going to do red light, seeing that it is the Christmas, and see how the red light them look. So I'm going to we're going to come. So let me show you guys what the lights actually look like. I have to turn off the ring light for you guys to see it, but let's put it on the red first. Alright, turn off the ring light.